So if you want to avoid getting action blocked, listen up, fellas. So let's start off with what is an action. So an action is a like, a comment, an unfollow, a follow, a DM, sharing the video, anything like that is an action. Posting to your story, posting to IGTV, all of that is an action. I'm not exactly sure what the limit is per hour, but I do know it's somewhere around 100. And it's 100 per account per device. For example, let's say you have one meme page and you have one personal page. If you follow 100 people on your meme page, that's perfectly fine. That's 100 actions in 1 hour. However, if you go to your personal page right after that, maybe 5 minutes later, let's say you like a Minecraft meme, your page is going to get action blocked. This is the biggest secret that nobody knows about, and I figured it out. There's no way to get past that 100 limit per account, but there is a way to exploit it if you want to grow multiple accounts. And the only way to do this is to have more than one device. So you either have to get a new phone or you have to get an emulator on your PC, like an Android emulator. It's free and it's very easy to get, and that's if you want to multiply your gains. So you can grow 2 accounts at once following 100 people per hour per day. Then you'll multiply your account's growth by 2 times because you're growing 2 accounts at once instead of 1. Here's another tip for staying so long in the video. You're going to want to smash that like button so you can help out the Instagram plug on his YouTube journey. Thank you. Moving on, my actual tip is you can only make 5 accounts per device, 5 brand new accounts on Instagram. However, if you want to create more, if you go on Safari, you're allowed to create unlimited accounts. So as far as I know, there's currently 3 different action blocks happening on Instagram. So the first one is being device locked. That means if you got action blocked on your main account and you decided to make a new account, if your new account is instantly action blocked without even spamming, then your device is probably banned. The only way to get around this is to get a new device or to reset your phone entirely. The next block is just the basic action block where everything is blocked basically. The only thing you can do is post on your story and post on your feed, but you can't post a caption in your feed, so it's pretty much useless. You want to avoid at all costs trying to get action blocked. So there's a big difference between brand new accounts and aged accounts. If you guys want to take it to the next level, there's people that sell aged accounts on Instagram that are a couple weeks old, and if you get one of those, they're way less likely to get action blocked. So if you actually want to pursue this meme page and take it to the next level, then I would recommend getting an aged account. An aged account is basically just what it sounds like. It's just an account that's been sitting there that hasn't been doing anything, and it was created a couple years ago, but it's just like in that algorithm of Instagram where it's like, oh, this account is already established, it's not really a spam page. The next action block is something that I might think is a glitch, which is really unfortunate if it happens to your account. But so far from the evidence I've seen, it really looks like a glitch. It's just been happening to random people for no reason. However, in the Discord, I did hear of a story of someone posting 10 times very fast, and that's why his account was limited because of that. And I'm not 100% sure, it could just be all random. That's just another one of the action blocks that Instagram has, and I'm pretty sure this one is a glitch. So if it happens to you, I really don't know what to say. You just gotta wait it out. That's like really unfortunate. So as I said before, Instagram's been cracking down on these bots, third-party apps and stuff like that. I have heard that Jarvee is one of the last working bots, but I'm not too sure. I've never personally used it. I don't want to recommend it, but if you guys are looking for a bot, you can look at Jarvee. I've never used it, like I said, so I can't tell you if it's good or not. Also, another question I've been getting is how long should you wait to unfollow them? Now, I usually wait until I get to 7,500 until I'm actually blocked from following more people. You have to wait for all your followers to get the notification that they followed you. You need the people that are private to see you in the list of people. Just because you follow 1,000 people doesn't mean they're all going to follow back instantly. You have to wait a couple days. Basically, nowadays, I just leave it sitting at 7,000 followers. It's really up to you. I know it looks really greasy. It looks really unaesthetically pleasing, and you really want to get rid of that 7,000 follower thing. But it really is a pain in the ass if you want to do it manually, because you have to click unfollow and then you have to click are you sure 7,000 times. It's definitely possible, but that's just not something that I'm willing to do. It's something that you can do. There's tons of pages that follow 7,000 people, and I totally understand why you'd want to clear it, but for me, I just don't care. So like I said, it really doesn't matter if you unfollow them or not. Like I said, I would be careful if you want to unfollow them. If you're looking at an alternative, faster way. So I got a third-party app on the App Store where I was trying to mass unfollow people. I didn't even do anything on the app and my account got action blocked. As soon as I linked the account, Instagram noticed and they just straight action blocked me. That's why I'm saying I don't recommend to use bots, because Instagram is cracking down on it. The only way to do this is to do it manually and to do it as random as possible. And I made a video, like I said, it's going to be in the description or on the card somewhere up here. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you click and watch that. Alright, so if it wasn't for you butt boys in my Discord, I wouldn't know about this last action block. but apparently someone in my Discord made 5 brand new accounts all back to back. And he said that as soon as he tried doing anything on these accounts, like liking, commenting, any action, he said he was already blocked. So basically, don't make 5 accounts within 10 minutes and you won't get action blocked. Basically, if you're just spamming, then you're gonna get action blocked. That's just as simple as it is. Also, join the fucking Discord, boys, because it's lonely in here. Now, if you guys found any value in this video, please make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to get more followers on Instagram. Once all of you guys have your first couple thousand followers, I'm going to transition into how to make money off of Instagram. I'm going to start making my way towards how to monetize each page, and I think it's going to be really cool. So stick around if you guys subscribe, because I'm going to have really good content coming out soon. Also, if you guys know any other common action blocks that are happening to you guys, please leave a comment down below so that we can help out the community. Thanks for watching, guys. You know who it is, the Instagram plug. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.